Talk about the brokerage calls of the day. Sudarshan is back. What's on the radar?
So when the Russian oil purchase in the news, so I've taken the brokerage note on OMCs. So first one is HSBC has written note on OMCs. It expects strong earnings given lower oil prices and reduced LPG losses. It believes that any payouts for under recoveries will be taken positively, and it has a buy call on all the three oil marketing companies, IOC, BPCL and HPCL, with a target for BPCL at 420, for HPCL 520, and for IOC it's 190. There is another note that has come from JPMorgan. It believes that stocks have been under pressure despite strong core earnings that company had seen in the past few quarters. Also, risk reward appears favorable and stocks are cheap if you take a look on FY27 earnings projections, and there should be little downside even if taxes on these companies are raised. Amongst all the three oil marketing companies, it prefers BPCLs. Now, next is Morgan Stanley has written on real estate. It believes that July launches are weak. It was the first dip that the sector has seen in last 4 years, but it can catch up in August and September. Also, as per July trends, preference is Lodha and Prestige states. It believes that Q2 sales have strengthened across and unsold inventory has marginally seen a decline. Mumbai and Bengaluru recorded the highest growth in sales. As far as price growth is concerned, it did see a moderation if you compare against last 2 quarters, but it was strong at 5% YOY. And NCR saw price growth of 19%, followed by Mumbai and Bengaluru at 7% each. Last one is autos, and it's on the back of GST. Jefferies has written, it believes that potential GST cut should provide a boost for auto demand, especially for two-wheelers and smaller passenger vehicle segment. It has raised FY26-28 two-wheeler and PV industry volumes by 2 to 6%, and in resultant, EPS estimates for some of the companies have increased in the range of 2 to 8%. Those companies are TVS, Hero Moto, Maruti and Hyundai. It believes that TVS and M&M will deliver highest 27% and 19% FY25-28 EPS CAGR respectively, and preferred buys are TVS, M&M and Maruti. Also, it has upgraded Hero Moto to hold from underperform, but has retained underperform for Tata Motors and Hyundai.
Okay, all right. So got that. So we'll keep the auto names on our radar, and also that stat from Morgan Stanley is impressive. 19% year-on-year growth in pricing in NCR real estate. That's quite something.